Can adultery prevent you from getting alimony? Have you ever wondered how a spouse's infidelity might affect financial support after a divorce? The question of whether adultery can prevent someone from receiving alimony is complex and varies by location. Alimony, also known as spousal support or maintenance, is determined by several factors, including financial need and the ability to pay. In some states, adultery is viewed as marital misconduct, which can influence the court's decision on alimony. If one spouse's infidelity caused financial or emotional harm to the other, it may lead to a reduction or even elimination of alimony for the spouse who committed adultery. However, this is not a universal rule. For example, in Pennsylvania, adultery is a recognized fault ground for divorce. This means it can significantly impact spousal support decisions. If the court finds that the cheating spouse caused harm, they may receive less or no alimony. On the other hand, in states like New York and Texas, adultery itself may not automatically affect alimony. Instead, the specific circumstances surrounding the infidelity can play a role in determining the amount and duration of support. Some states, such as Wisconsin, follow no-fault divorce laws. In these places, infidelity cannot be used as a reason to request or deny alimony. This means that in a no-fault state, the court will not consider adultery when deciding on spousal support. North Carolina has a stricter approach. If the dependent spouse, the one seeking alimony, is found to have committed adultery during the marriage and before separation, they may be denied alimony altogether. However, if the other spouse condones the infidelity, it may not impact the alimony decision. When courts decide on alimony, they generally look at the overall financial situation and fairness. Adultery is just one factor among many. If it is proven that the cheating spouse caused significant harm, this can be a strong argument against awarding them alimony. The timing of the adultery matters too. Conduct that occurs after separation may have less impact on alimony decisions. In some cases, if both spouses committed adultery, the court may weigh this when deciding on support. In summary, whether adultery can prevent someone from receiving alimony depends on the state laws and the specific circumstances of the case. In states with fault-based divorce laws, infidelity can significantly impact alimony decisions. In no-fault states, the effect of adultery may be minimal. Understanding the laws in your state is essential for anyone navigating divorce and separation.